And today's tip of the week is fall a good time to buy?
Yeah, and we're getting this question a lot. What's going to happen this fall? Well, we can tell you that right now, going into the fall, that there's a lot of inventory. So inventory is what investors like to see because you have more choice. We could tell you not so long ago, Tim, 6 to 8 months ago, we were waiting for properties to hit the market. Now we can actually take our clients out and compare properties. We can go out and see 3 or 4 properties and compare them to see if the numbers work, what it would actually sell for. Some of these properties, Tim, are staying on the market longer, like days on market. So it's giving us more flexibility. We're not having to run out, quickly put an offer in, and then hope that we get it.
Yeah, and the second point is prices are starting to soften. We've been going over our market reports every seminar, and there's been a clear trend that prices are softening across the board in Calgary. So that's a positive thing if you're looking to buy in the fall, because you're not in that ever increasing price, hill that most buyers are into in Calgary. So it's very, very advantageous right now. If you're ready to go, you can get a good price.
Yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, when people are in this frenzy of buying, when the market's hot, they tend to overpay. And thank goodness we're going into a fall market that people are going to get fair price properties. They're going to get better properties. That's what we're seeing. We're getting many upgrades in these properties, either new furnaces or new roofs, new windows. There's a lot of advantages of buying in this market where you don't just have to take anything.
Yeah, and another point that we're going to go over is we're finding cash flowing properties all over the place right now. Because of those two scenarios, the inventory is going up and the prices are coming down. Also, interest rates have stayed the same. They haven't gone down as much as we'd like, but they have stayed at a reasonable rate. So our investors are finding great cash flowing properties all over the city.
Yeah, and the last thing we want to touch on is that our investors are renting these properties out. They're having no problem at all getting the rents that we actually estimate when they purchase the property. And you know what? That's helping them cash flow, and they're renting the properties out immediately. In some cases, we're buying properties with tenants in them already. And when that happens, you're actually in front with your cash flow because you don't have a mortgage for that first month. So some of our investors are up $2,000 to $2,500 per property. And that is a great way to actually take advantage of this current situation with the market. So that is our tip of the week. Should you invest in the fall in Calgary? You should definitely invest. The big reason being is that we know going into next year, markets are going to continue upwards. And if you get in before that rush, you're just going to reap the rewards. If that is your first tip of the week, subscribe to Crew TV below. Give us a thumbs up, and you'll get many, many more tips going forward.